Alright, my people, how you doing today? This is DJ Niger Mix right here for you again. Hey, and you know how we do it, right? Every weekend we have a live party online right here. Don't miss out. And this is where we make it happen. Live mix Afrobeat for your soul. You know that kind of music that makes you want to go wild. I can't even explain myself right now. This is how it goes down every time, every day, every single hour. With DJ Niger Mix. You can never go wrong. All my people in Niger, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah, now.
Stacking up my money, no time for your shit. Money kulakbo, I don't care for your hate. Me no fighting, me no fighting, me no fighting. Throwing down drums from bungalow out there. I did my penthouse, you can't even reach me. Me no frightened, me no frightened. It is not your fight, stand down. I'm not the one, calm down. You know I'm not your problem. You can't be me, why bother? Don't have your time now. Ole mumi bow down. To bambino farabale. Oboya ko lari mole. Okay. It's okay, let them see.
DJ Niger Mix.
They pay me. Kinjaye on a daily. Okay. We go te okay. I just want to hear me. Look.
Why you got a verse? I'm a little Chevalier, man. Enjoy your life. Flex like anyhow. As we know, they cuckoo hold anybody.
My grace, you define. I get it times two. You dey eye me. Let me remind you. No, they try me.
Even if you dey hold somebody.
Go my berry, yeah. You got my attention. Now what you gonna do? You the tension, but you let kung fu.
Are you gonna be the first person to hold someone?
It's not your fight, stand down. I'm not the one, calm down. You know I'm not your.
Amo, time to dance, baby. I don't care what you're going through.
Ole mumi bow down. To bambino farabale. Aboya ko lari mole.
Oh my Larry Mole, man. Let's just dance. Let's make it happen. Oh yeah.
Trouble no they pay me. Kinjaye on a daily. Okay. We go te okay.
Trouble no dey pill.
Look.
Don't come my house, they look for palliative. Oh.
Black Jersey on the beat.
See na magic feeding dodo. See na sing in the fine in my girl, you fine papi in dodo.
Jersey on the beat.
Make I sing for you la la dodo. Something like do re mi fa so la ti dodo. Yeah. Make I sing your song, make you dance and jogo. Make I feel, make I touch, make I play, make I sing, make you whine, I'm dodo. That's what she dey do, the things with the bust in my head, oh. She crazy like a rock star. She come clean, but she get in my head, oh. Yeah, she wanna go my side, so she's asking her head, oh. Say, she go like to stay a lot, ooh yeah. So she no go down come out, ooh yeah. Where do go drop zero, my go dance, yo. go dance the oh, eh. Bedu go drop theory, ma go dance eh. She go dance the oh, eh. Bedu go drop theory, ma go wine oh, eh. She go dance the Bedu go drop the oh, ma go dance the oh, yeah. She go dance the oh, yeah. Tell me all the things I like you. And you always talk on my mind. I want go fit provide you. Le. Girl, when you sober, wake up into one.
And you know how I do it still.
Look no other. Girl, I know say, now me what you want. Stop to the carry your shoulder gun, yeah.
This is Wizkid from the new album.
You mark myself.
Made in Lagos.
I'm only time one sweet loving.
One of the best in Africa. And the best all over the world. This guy only him shuts down London O2 event hall. Over 10,000 fans.
She go dancing, yeah. Where you go drop, say, Rima go on you, yeah. She go dancing, where you go drop, say, Rima go on you, she go dancing,
Okay, the pre-game lit, so we turn up. Vibes on vibes, yeah, we burn up. When the party at, I'ma run up. Going all night long till sun up. Going off like a rocket launcher. It's the vibe, yeah, you like it, don't ya? Take it, do it for the culture. Pelican fly, I don't like no vulture. I thought I told ya, when I come to it's over. I'm a soldier, big range like a rover. I'm a roller, big time shot caller. When you see me in the club, you can come holler. Like, we're here to turn up, what to do? I just wanna kick it with a crew. Top of the world, what a view. Pretty girl next to you, tell her she can come too. Like, yeah. Party after party, yeah. Party after party, yeah. Party after party, after party after party, yeah. Party after party, yeah. Party after party, yeah. Party after party, after party after party. Open a drink, off the drink, yo, we go dumb. All about the action, Jean-Claude Van Damme. You think it's over, but I'm not yet done. I keep booing this, give him a run. I said, good one, let me do my thing one time. Good one, let me do my thing 2 times. Good one, give her that thing 3 times. If you really like it, we can go full time. You know I handle my business from the start to the finish. I really ain't got no limit, I'm pop out with a spinach. I got my haters to live it, determine it what I live it. Ain't got no time to be timid, mess me with the gimmicks. Like, I came looking for company. Drop that thing up on me. But I get kumani by way. It's a
Let's go, people. I love this.
Party after party, yeah. Party after party, yeah. Party after party, after party after party,
Party after party,
yeah. Party after party,
after party after party. Let's go.
party after party. Party after party, then we mash up the place. Party after party, then we mash up the place. Party after party, then we mash up the place. Mash up the place, mash up the place. Party after party, then we mash up the place. Party after party, then we mash up the place. Party after party, then we mash up the place. Mash up the place, mash up the place.
I for sure you this thing I'm feeling.
Oh yeah, but I don't really know you that well.
I really wanna kiss you in the face,
baby.
and maybe every other place, baby. You be like, say I don't remember, say I
don't really know you that well. We can go there if
I
want to, but me, I don't know.
Oh no,
why I think I love you when
I don't really do like that much.
We can go there if
I
want to, but me, I don't know.
Oh no,
why I think I love you.
Oh my God, God bless this door.
Like to insult your intelligence, why do I believe that we have met? Maybe not in this life. Time's frozen for a second, so I'm thinking
I love this song so much.
better still, we can set it aside. Temporarily, my temperature is telling me that
If you don't know this song,
girl, there is no remedy. But you don't know me well,
tell me what you know.
and I don't really know you that well. It's funny, you have something in your teeth, but would you try to stop me if I want to take it out? Cause you don't know me properly. Girl, I think you're lovely, but you turn this bad boy into a busybody. I see you're too busy for me.
you're right.
Or maybe I'm just busy for me. Will you call me when you're ready for me? It's crazy, baby, how I don't care at all that I don't really know you that well.
I really wanna tell you how my day went.
How my day went.
Really want to spend the weekend. I for sure you this thing I'm feeling.
Oh yeah, but I don't really know you that well.
I really wanna kiss you in the face, baby. And maybe every other place, baby. It be like say I don't remember, say I don't really know you that well.
We can go there if you want to, but me, I don't know why I think I love you when I don't really know you that well.
Join DJ Niger Mix every weekend for live events.
Why I think I love you when I don't really know you that well.
So you be my control.
We party all day, day party all day every weekend with DJ Niger Mix.
Spend every night telling bad jokes to you.
Come spend all day with me.
Jeans, have a baby with my boyfriend jeans. If you want my boyfriend, I'll be up in my boyfriend dreams. But I don't really know you that well. I wanna go.
I'ma take care of you, babe.
You, right or die for you. But I don't really know you that well.
You know DJ Niger Mix got you, right?
Really want to spend the weekend. I for sure you this thing I'm feeling.
Oh yeah,
My logo.
I really wanna kiss you in the face,
baby.
And maybe every other place, baby.
Show me some love. Subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Share. Tell your friends. Come around. Join the party every weekend. And this is how we do it. You wanna know how we do it? Show up. Just show up.
We can go there if you want to, but me, I don't know why I think I love you when I don't really know you that well.
So that's enough for now. That's a quick mix. DJ Niger Mix in the building. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, share, and join the party. Omo Naija, Ushabo.